video we will see multiplication. So here basically how we work with decimals, and now we are working with multiplication property of decimals. So today we will see just after multiplying by 10 what happens. Okay, decimals multiplied by 10, 100 and 1000. Suppose I am multiplying 2.2 by 10, so it will give me this 2. Here multiplying to 10 means of course this will be 10 twos are 20 in mind. 10 twos are 20, so number will exceed to 20. Using that property you can think like when there is 0, how many zeros we have, those many zeros to the left we have to shift, those many decimal places we have to shift to the left. Okay, so it will give you 2.2 into 10 means 22. 3.3 into 10 is equal to 33. 6.5 into 10 is equal to 65. 8.5 into 10 is equal to 85. 113.2 into 10. So just one place, after decimal one place you have to shift to the left. 1132. Okay, similarly you have 1.8 into 10 is equal to, so this 8 as 10 is there, one place we have to shift decimal to the right side, so 91 became 918. Okay, in that way when we multiply to 10 we get such numbers. Now let us see when we multiply same numbers to 100 what happens. 2.2 into 100, what it will give you? So it will give you 2, and this, for this one more 0 you have, so 2 and 20. Okay, 2.2 into 100 is 220. Next, 3.3 into 100. Okay, for this after decimal you have 10, so your 10 will get added here, 330, in that way. 6.5 into 100. Okay, how do you do this? Just 6500, and here after decimal one digit, so place it for the decimal, it gives you 650. Okay, so shortcut to do it, the step is 2.2 into 10 means it is 220, but after decimal one place, so it will come here, and so we write it 22. Similarly, 3.3 into 10, it is 330, but from this, from the right side to the left, we have one decimal place, so we place decimal here. So 33 means here we write 33. Okay, similarly 6.5 into 10 is equal to 650, but after decimal one place, so we will count those many places to the left and we will give decimal here, and so we don't write 0, the answer comes 65. Okay, same property we are using here. 8.5 into 100, when I do, write the number with all the zeros. Okay, and how many decimals places after decimal? One place, so to the left we have to place the decimal. Okay, so 850 is the answer, where we avoid to write 0. Okay, let's see few more examples based on the same property. So what it is, very simple way, 6500, and after decimal one place, so place it here, so the answer is 650. Now repeatedly when you do, you will do this thing in mind where to place the decimal. Okay, 232.2 into 100 means 232200, and as after decimal only one place, place it here the decimal. Okay, so the answer is 23220. Okay, here 628200, so after decimal one place, so we'll write here the decimal, and answer is 62820. Okay, for this 5619 and 00, and after decimal there are two places, so from right side to the left, we will come back and we'll give decimal, and so the answer is 5619. In that way you can complete this decimal part. Let's see now multiplication of decimals by 1000, and according to the method we have seen, we will just do it like 2, 5 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, and then decimal, and after that only one place. So from the right to the left we will leave one place and we'll give decimal, and so the answer is 2500. Okay, so now doing this thing in mind, you can write the answer directly. Let's do for this. So here 3.35 into 1000 we have, so I'll just do like 335 and 3 zeros, but after decimal there are two places. So from left side, I mean right to left, we will leave two places and we will give decimal. So the answer is 3350. In that way you can write the answer. Okay, now let's do this. 1446000. From decimal there are two places, so from right to left leave two places and give decimal. So the answer is 14460. Okay, now here just it is in the same way, 2238 and 3 zeros of 1000. Now 1, 2, 3 places after decimal, so we will leave 3 places from right to left, 1, 2, 3, and so decimal comes here, and so the answer is 2238. Next is 15682 into 1000 means 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 places after decimal. So 1, 2, 3 places we left and we have given decimal here. So the answer is 15682. Similarly for the last one, let us try to do it in the mind. We will write all these digits here, 283426. Okay, and as after decimal here actually 1, 2, 3 zeros should be there, but after decimal there are two places, so leave two zeros and give 1 zero here. Okay, so if you are confused to do directly, go for these steps and then only you write the answer. For this let us check. It is just like 2834.26, so in place of point, that is decimal, 26 and 1, 2, 3 zeros. Now after decimal there are two places, so these two if I leave, I get answer 2834260. That's nothing but the same answer. So in that way you can give decimals to certain points. So in this way today we have seen how to multiply decimals by 1000, 100 and 10, and such type of different videos you will get on this channel. So please subscribe and share with your friends and keep liking it. We'll meet next time. Thank you and bye bye.